Hello students, today we will learn exercise 11.3. But before that we will see some topics. Topic 11.5, circles. What is circle? Circle is a closed curve whose points are at the same distance from a fixed point. For an example, here it is a circle. These are the points on a circle. From this point to a fixed point, the distance is same. They are at the same distance. These points are at the same distance with this fixed point. And this fixed point is called center. Next, radius. What is radius? A line segment joining any point on the circle to its center is called a radius of the circle. And it is denoted by small r. Here, this is a circle, a line segment joining a point on a circle with center. Its one end point is center and one end point it's a point on a circle. This line segment is called a radius. Next definition, diameter. A line segment passes through the center of the circle and whose endpoints lie on the circle is called diameter of the circle, and it is denoted by small d. Here, for an example, this is a circle. This is a line segment which passes through the center and whose endpoints are at the circle. Here we can see that this endpoint and this point are at the circle. So this is called a diameter. Now here we can see that from this point to this point, this is called radius. Same way from this point to this point, it is radius. There is nothing but the measurement or length of this diameter is nothing but radius plus radius, that is 2r. And that is diameter is equal to twice the radius, 2r. And also we can write from this formula that radius is equal to nothing but d diameter divided by 2. Next point, 11.5.1, circumference of a circle. What is circumference? The distance around the circular region of the circle is known as its circumference. Here, for an example, this is a circle. When we take a one point on a circle and when we go around a circular region and again when we get back to this point, this distance is called a circumference of a circle, and it is denoted by capital C. Next, ratio of circumference to the diameter. If we take some circles and manually when we measure its diameter and circumference, we find that the circumference of a circle is more than 3 times of a diameter. That means if we find a ratio of circumference to the diameter, we find then that the ratio is equal to approximately 3.14 or 22 divided by 7. For any circle, when we try to find the ratio of circumference to the diameter, we find this value approximately. And this ratio is a constant and it is denoted by a symbol pi. It is called pi. Its approximate value is, that is 22 divided by 7 or 3.14. So we can write circumference C divided by diameter, that is ratio of circumference to the diameter, that is equal to pi. And therefore circumference is equal to pi multiplied by d. And what is d? That is circumference is equal to pi multiplied by 2r. and therefore circumference is equal to 2 pi r. This is formula for circumference. If we are having a radius of a circle, we can find circumference of that circle using this formula, that is circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Next topic, 11.5.2, area of circle. So for that, what we will do, draw a circle and shade one half of the circle. Here this is a circle and we have shaded one half, that is this green part of the circle. Now fold the circle into eighths and cut along the folds. Now we have to fold the circle into eighths, so we will get this kind of figure. Here we can see that this circle is divided into 8 equal parts, and this single parts is called sector, and we have to cut along this sector this way. Now arrange the separate pieces as below. When we cut all the 8 sectors and we arrange them, so we get a roughly parallelogram. This we can see that it is a rough figure of a parallelogram. Now as above, as this way, when we divide a circle into 64 sectors and when we arrange them, so we get nearly a rectangle. Now in that rectangle, when we compare this rectangle to a circle, the breadth of the rectangle is nothing but a radius of the circle, and length of the rectangle is a half of the circumference. How? Length of the rectangle is nothing but 32 sectors. Okay, 32 sectors of a circle. Total 64 sectors are there when we divide it. So 32 sectors are there. The distance of 32 sectors is half of the circumference. And this way we have to compare. Here this kind of figure we get when we divide the circle into 64 sectors. The length is half of circumference and breadth is measure of a one radius. So here area of the circle, that is equal to area of rectangle which we have formed. Area of rectangle, we know that length multiplied by breadth. So here what is length? That is half of circumference. So here we will write 1/2 multiplied by circumference, capital C, multiplied by breadth. Breadth is what? 1 radius. So here we will write R. 1/2. What is circumference? That is 2 pi R multiplied by R. This 2 and this 2 cancel. So here what remains? Pi R multiplied by R. R multiplied by R. R square. So pi R square. So area of the circle is what? Pi R square. Exercise 11.3, question 1. Find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. Here we have to take pi is equal to 22 divided by same. R is equal to 14 centimeter. We have to find circumference. What is the formula for circumference? That is circumference. Here we will write capital C. That is equal to 2 pi R. Here we will put the value. That is equal to 2 multiplied by pi. What we have to take? That is 22 divided by 7. And what is R? Here it is 14 centimeter multiplied by 14. And that is equal to, here 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. This 2 multiplied by 2, it is 4. 22 multiplied by 4, that is 88. And that is our circumference. The circumference has unit. Here it is centimeter, so this is centimeter. So circumference is equal to 88 centimeter for radius 14 centimeter. Next, B. R is equal to 28 millimeter. Radius is 28 millimeter and we have to find circumference. And therefore, formula for circumference, C is equal to 2 pi R. That is equal to 2. What we have to take for pi? It is given 22 divided by 7 multiplied by R. R is 28. Here we know that 7 ones are 7 and 7 fours are 28. 4 twos are 8. So 22 multiplied by 8. 22 multiplied by 8 is what? 176. And what is unit? Here it is millimeter. Therefore our circumference is equal to 176 millimeter for radius 28 millimeter. Next, C. R is equal to 21 centimeter given. So therefore circumference C is equal to 2 pi R. Here we will put the values. 2 multiplied by pi, 22 by 7 multiplied by R. What is R? It is 21. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. 3 twos are 6. So 22 multiplied by 6. 22 6 are, that is equal to 132. And what is unit? That is centimeter. So here we got our circumference, that is 132 centimeter for radius 21 centimeter. Next, question number 2. Find the area of the following circles given that, and here we have to take pi is equal to 22 by 7. What is given? Radius is given. Sum A, radius is equal to 14 millimeter, and we have to find area of this circle having radius 14 millimeter. And therefore, what is formula for area of circle? That is nothing but pi R square. Here we have to take value of pi, 22 by 7 multiplied by R, that is 14 and square. We will solve this. That is equal to 22 by 7 multiplied by 14 square. 14 multiplied by 4. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. So here what we get? 2 14s are 28 multiplied by 2. Here we have to do this multiplication. So here we will do 28 multiplied by 22. 8 twos are 16. Here 1. 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5. 0. 8 twos are again same 6 and 5. 6 plus 0 6. 5 plus 6 11. 1 plus 6 6. So it is 616. Now here area of circle 616. What will be unit? Here millimeter given, so unit will be millimeter square. So area of circle having 14 millimeter is 616 or 616 millimeter square. Next sum B. Here diameter is given 49 meter and we have to find area. So first we will convert this diameter into radius, and we know that formula for radius, that is radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. From where this formula we got that we know that diameter is equal to 2r, and therefore radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, and that is equal to diameter is given 49 divided by 2. So here we got the radius 49 divided by 2. Here we are not finding the number 49 divided by 2. We are not doing. Why? You will get the answer when we solve this sum. Here we have to find area. So area of circle, and that is equal to formula pi r square. Pi we have to take 22 by 7 multiplied by r square. What is r? 49 divided by 2 square, and that is equal to 22 by 7 multiplied by 49 by 2 square. That means 49 divided by 2, 49 divided by 2, 2 times. So here now 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49. That's why we have not converted 49 by 2 into decimal number. We have taken this improper fraction as it is. So now we will solve this. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. So whatever we got, we will multiply it. 11 sevens are 77 multiplied by 49 divided by 2. Now we have to do this multiplication. So here we will do this multiplication. 77 multiplied by 49. 7 nines are 63. 7 nines are 63 plus 6, that is 69. Here 0. 7 fours are 28. Here 2 will come. 7 fours are 28 plus 2, that is 30. 3 plus 0, 3. 9 plus 8, that is 17. Here 1 will come. 1 plus 6, that is 7, and this is 3. So here when we multiply 77 by 49, we get 3773 divided by 2. Here we will do this division. 3773 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 1, 7, 2 8s are 16, 1, 7, 2 8s are again 16, 1 and 3, 2 6 are 12, and then 1, so point, and 10, so 5. So when we divide 3773 divided by 2, we get 1886.5. 1886.5, and unit is what? That is, here it is given meter, so unit will be meter square. So area of circle is 1886.5 meter square. Next one, r is equal to 5 centimeter, and therefore area of circle, that is equal to pi r square. So that is equal to, what is value of pi? That is 22 by 7 multiplied by r square, that is 5 square, and that is equal to 22 by 7, 5 square, 5 5s are 25. So here we will do this multiplication. 25 multiplied by 22 divided by 7. 25 multiplied by 22. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4 plus 5. Here 0, same way 0, 5. So 0, 5, 5. So what we got? 5 5 0. 550 divided by 7. Now we will do this division. 550 divided by 7. 7 sevens are 49. 55 minus 49, that is 660. 7 8s are 56. 60 minus 56, that is 4. 4 cannot divide by 7, so here we will put 0, therefore decimal point. 7 5s are 35. 40 minus 35, that is 5. We will put 0, again 7. 7s are 49, again 1, and then 0. So this value will come, this division will go on and on. So that's why we will take the answer in these two decimal places, that is equal to 78.57. So area of circle is 78.57, and what is unit? Here centimeter radius there, so unit will be for area centimeter square. 78.57 centimeter square.